Hey, I'm Raghunath Krishna and you're watching Elephany, where we draw and color 50 stylized elephants. In this video, we are going to draw and color Eli Pup, an elephant calf who thinks he's a pup. Let's draw. Let us start drawing the pup now. Let's draw the head slightly tilted like this. A curious pup. The trunk, the front of the trunk, then we'll draw the chin, the cheeks, these are the front legs. This elephant pup is sitting on his haunches. The front legs, the sole which is visible from this side, then the shin, the knee on the other side, the shoulders, the base. Let us draw eyes. Now curiosity is the expression here, so let us maintain it. So we are giving him large eyes. Let's draw the floor on which he is sitting. Let us color Eli Pup with pale pink as a base color. We'll color it with pink. Now we'll add a bit of color with bright pink. Let us use black to color the eyes now. Let us add a bit of blue for the floor. Let us add some grey for the floor. Now to complete it, we are using a bright pink to burnish the colors. With this, we have drawn and colored Ellie Pup. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.